Now actually, all of these fault codes point to something a little more obvious, which I didn't realise at the time.
Fuel pressure regulator exceeded. Ooh. Misfire. Air system insufficient flow blank 2. Air system. So it's going to be all linked to that secondary air pump. So the air system insufficient flow blank 1 and 2 is not getting enough air because that secondary air pump isn't on. So then because of that, the fuel pressure regulator is having a nightmare because the fueling is fueling based on that it should be pushing more air into the cylinders. And then because of that, we've got a random multiple cylinder misfire because there's not enough air and the fuel's just absolutely having a nightmare.
All of which is possible. But again, there's something more obvious which I'm not even thinking about here.
Well, unless this is the battery.
That is not good.
It could be the battery. We have only got 11 volts in the battery, which could be an issue. Try one more time.
Now, whilst the car does need a secondary air pump because it is missing one from the left hand side, something more obvious was in the previous video. Remember when the car spurted off one of the fuel lines and it pumped fuel all over the floor? Well, you can see on the dashboard here that the car is low on fuel and I've not picked it up. The reason why the car won't continue to run is because the car has no fuel in it. Sometimes it's the most simple things.